Hey guys, CryptoDad here again, and today I'm going to show you how to use Binance Smart Chain using Ledger Live. So let's get started. Alright, so I just saw an alert on my mobile version of Ledger Live that they now support Binance Smart Chain. So I'm going to check into this. Alright, so as you know, I've done several videos on using the Binance Smart Chain and the decentralized exchanges using Binance Smart Chain. Let's see what happens when we enable Binance Smart Chain in Ledger Live. I'll go ahead and launch my Ledger Live here. All right, so the first thing we'll need to do is get our software up to date. They have an inline update here to 2.32.2. Download update. You can just update your copy of Ledger Live from within Ledger Live. Okay, now supports Binance Smart Chain. Send and receive them today. I'm going to go ahead and connect my device and enter my PIN. All right, so I'm at the home screen of the device, as you can see here, where I'm at the top level. I can see all the apps. I'm going to click on Manager over here. I'll need to allow this on my device, so I'll hit both buttons. All right, now once you've handled that, notice here that they have Binance Smart Chain. Now, and also notice here that I had a previous version of Binance Chain installed. There are two chains on the Binance blockchain, right? There is the regular Binance chain, and then there is the Binance Smart Chain. They're two different things. I know it's a little confusing, but let's go over to the app catalog. There is a new app called the Binance Smart Chain that supports Binance Smart Chain wallet. So let's go ahead and get that installed. All right, and then let's check for that new app, right? Scroll over to the end, and I see the icon there. Notice there, it says Binance Smart Chain. We want to use this app and not the other chain. Let's go over to accounts. You can navigate until you're on top of Binance Smart Chain and then hit both buttons. And now let's go over to add account. And then we'll choose our type of account. We'll use Binance Smart Chain. And then we'll hit continue. Now, since this is a brand new app, it should just find an empty Binance Smart Chain account. So we'll hit add account here. And then we'll hit done. And there we go. Got an empty Binance Smart Chain account. Now, when we do a receive on here, you'll see that we're only sending BNB or BEP20 tokens to the Binance Smart Chain account. All other crypto assets will be lost. We have to be very careful with this. We'll hit continue here. And notice it's going to give us a Binance Smart Chain address. This looks very similar to an Ethereum address, right? It starts with a 0x, but it is not. It's Binance Smart Chain. So I can confirm on my device over here that the addresses match, and then I'll just approve that. I'm going to copy that into my clipboard. So neither Crypto.com nor Binance US will allow us to withdraw Binance coin in Binance Smart Chain format. All right, the Binance will only allow me to withdraw BNB coin to the BEP2 network, and this is not the right network for Binance Smart Chain. Binance Smart Chain is BEP20. All right, just wanted you to be aware of these pitfalls. But we do have another option. If you're not in the US, you can simply buy your BNB coin on Binance proper. All right, so if you are outside of the US and you have access to Binance proper, you can withdraw your BNB coin directly to a Binance Smart Chain wallet. Notice down here on network, we have the choice of the BEP2 or the Binance Smart Chain. So for those of you who have Binance, you should be able to pull this off. So I'll quickly show how that works. So I'm just going to copy this Binance Smart Chain address into my clipboard. I'll go back over here to Binance. I'll paste in the address. It auto chooses Binance Smart Chain, And then I'll just take the max. It's not very much, but I just wanted to show you how this works. We'll hit withdraw, and then we'll confirm that. All right, we'll hit continue here. So I'll have to choose get code to get that email code sent to me. I'll enter my Google Authenticator code, and I'll click submit. All right, and that's done. And we can go over here and just wait for that Binance coin to come in. All right, I just got an alert from Binance that my withdrawal was complete. All right, and you can see there that I now have Binance Smart Chain coin in this wallet. All right, so it was a little bit tricky. For those of us in the US, there is an option to convert our BNB coin into Binance Smart Chain coin. So let me show you how that works. Not too difficult. We're going to need to use a wallet called Binance Chain wallet. This is a cross-chain wallet, so we'll be able to convert our BNB to Binance Smart Chain. All right, you'll notice in this wallet that we have 2 chains that we can work within. Right. I'm going to start on the Binance Chain because that is the chain that my Binance coin is currently. That's the format that my Binance coin on Crypto.com is currently in. All right, so let's do receive here, and there's our address. All right, I'm going to go back over here. I'll do another transfer, a withdrawal, and external wallet. And I already have this address whitelisted, Binance Chain wallet, as you can see up there. But if you're starting, you've never withdrawn to a Binance address, you can just hit plus wallet and scan that code in, like I showed you earlier. And there, you won't need a memo because this is a regular wallet address, right? It's not an exchange, so you won't need the memo. And then you'll need to give it a name, whatever you want to call this wallet, and then you'll add that to your whitelist. But as you can see, I've already done it. Right, I've got that already. That address is already in my list of whitelisted addresses. I'll just choose withdraw, and then I'll choose max. And then I'll tap the withdrawal button. I'll confirm that. And then I'll enter my 2-factor code. I'll just tap the code there, copy it into my clipboard, and slide back over to Crypto.com and hit paste. And there it goes. Tap to continue. And my balance goes to 0. I should get an email confirmation shortly. There it is. And there we go. And now that should show up in my Binance Chain wallet here shortly. Doesn't take very long, right? There's 0.28. There was a 0.02 fee when I withdrew from Crypto.com. Right, now we want to put this into our Binance Smart Chain wallet over on the ledger. So we'll go back over here. We'll do another receive. And this is always going to be the same address. All right. We'll hit copy into our clipboard. We'll go back over to this wallet, and we're going to do a send. And we'll just paste in that address. Now notice this wallet is smart enough to know that I am trying to do a cross-chain transfer. It says it notes that it's a cross-chain transfer. I don't need the memo. I can just max out the amount I'm sending, and I'll hit send. And it gives me an overview. I'm transferring from the Binance Chain network over to the Binance Smart Chain network. We'll hit send, and that's done. All right, so this Binance Chain wallet is smart enough to do cross-chain transfers for me. I can go back over to Ledger Live, hit done, and notice now that I've deposited some Binance Smart Chain in here. So my Binance Smart Chain balance has gone up. Now, interestingly enough, the Crypto.com does support Binance Smart Chain for CAKE tokens. So if we purchase a little bit of CAKE, notice PancakeSwap, or CAKE, has the BSC over there in parentheses, which indicates that it is a Binance Smart Chain token, right? So we'll just purchase a little bit of that. I'll buy Cake, confirm that. All right, and there we go. Got some Cake. Let's go back over to accounts and, all right, and there we've got that PancakeSwap. So let's put a little bit of this into the wallet and see what happens. We're going to go to receive again. All right, we can verify this if we've got the device connected. All right, notice it's always going to be the same address, similar to an Ethereum address. So we can confirm if we want to. I'll do the show smart code this time. All right, and now when I withdraw my PancakeSwap, I'll do transfer, withdraw, I'll choose external wallet, and this time I want to add a new address. So I'll hit the plus. I'll choose a wallet address. I'll hit that little icon so that I can scan this QR code. All right, and then I'll call this one Ledger. I have to give the wallet a name. I'll hit continue. I'll put in my two-factor authentication code for crypto.com. I'll paste and continue. And you can, if you hit that blue button, it'll launch. It may not launch the right email client, so I generally just wait for the confirmation email to come in, my Gmail, and then I'll tap that Gmail, hit confirm withdrawal address. I'll choose open, and it should take me over back to the wallet here. It may not take you out of this little interface, so you can just hit the X and back out and then back in again to see that second address there. I'll hit withdrawal Cake. I'll choose max. Now, if you've never done this before, I would suggest doing a small amount first just to confirm that it's going to get to its destination. Especially if it's a very large amount, I always recommend doing a small test transaction first. This is a fairly small amount, so I'll just do the max. We'll hit withdraw, and we'll confirm. Notice that the Cake charge for withdrawal is pretty small on the Binance Smart Chain. It's good stuff. Let's go ahead and get our two-factor from Google Authenticator. I'll tap the code to copy it into my clipboard, and I'll slide back over to crypto.com, and I'll hit paste. Continue. All right, there we go. We'll tap anywhere to continue. My balance should go to 0 shortly. All right, I got an email confirmation, and then that balance goes down to 0. All right, now I can dismiss this. All right, and then we'll just wait a minute for the sync to occur, and I should see Cake token as a sub token in this wallet. Okay, and there we go. All right, so my Cake is in this wallet. So it's a very safe and secure way of storing Binance Smart Chain BNB and any BEP20 tokens that you may want to store, right? So, but I'm a little bit curious if I can use this to connect to the PancakeSwap website. So I'm going to give that a try too. So I'm currently in my Binance Smart Chain app on my device. I'll go ahead and minimize this, and let's go over to PancakeSwap. Let's hit Connect Wallet. I would like to use Ledger with MetaMask. So the first thing I want to do is go over here to MetaMask. All right, and then I'll go over to my MetaMask, and I'll choose Connect Hardware Wallet. All right, and I'm going to choose Ledger, and I'll hit Continue here. All right, I'm going to need to open Ledger Live and do the web socket. I'll hit Open. Open the Ethereum app here. All right, now that I'm connected, I'd like to point out that my MetaMask wallet is configured for Binance Smart Chain. Right? Normally you would be in the Ethereum network, but you can configure multiple networks in your MetaMask. So if you don't know how to configure your MetaMask for Binance Smart Chain, I got a great video. I'll put a link to that up in the corner so you can configure your MetaMask wallet for Binance Smart Chain. Okay, so note. All right, notice it sees the balance of the Binance Smart Chain that I have in my Ledger wallet. But it did ask me to switch to the Ethereum app. So I'm currently in the Ethereum app. All right, so I want to connect with the Ledger account. We'll hit connect here. Now it's got the proper balance here. All right, and it also sees the cake, right? So it sees the wallet, but I'm a little concerned that it asked me to launch the Ethereum app for this. So let's just go ahead and start with a quick transaction. Let's trade 0.5 cake for some BNB. All right, so first we'll enable cake. And we're going to need to sign that with our MetaMask. Okay. Oh, I need to enable contract data on the Ethereum app because it was recently updated. So we'll go over to settings. Let's hit both buttons here. Contract data is currently not allowed. So let's hit both buttons to toggle that on. All right, let's do this again. We're connected. So let's go back. We're still in the Ethereum app. Let's hit enable cake again. We'll go down here to confirm. And now it's asking me to review the transaction. All right. There's the address. Network Binance Smart Chain. And then we'll hit accept and send. All right. And that was confirmed in my MetaMask wallet. Now we can do our swap. Let's hit swap. We'll confirm that. Whoops, price is updated. Okay, let's confirm that swap. We'll sign it in MetaMask and then we'll confirm it on the device. Okay, we're in good shape here so far. We'll hit accept and send. Transaction submitted. And that was confirmed in MetaMask as well. So now we should have slightly less cake and a little more BNB. All right, so now that we've done that, let's try a little liquidity pool stuff, right? So let's go over to liquidity. Let's hit add liquidity. All right, and we'll do cake and BNB. And I believe we have more cake than BNB. Let's try. Let's hit max. No, that's not going to work. Looks like we have more BNB than we have cake, value-wise, right? So let's hit max on the cake, and we'll only need 0.19 BNB to match that. A liquidity pool uses an equal amount of two different tokens, value-wise, right? So I'll max out the cake, and it calculates the equal value of BNB. So we'll hit supply. All right, we'll hit confirm there. It's going to give us 0.8 pool tokens, liquidity pool tokens. We'll hit confirm that. Let's sign that in MetaMask by hitting confirm. And then we'll also confirm that on our device. All right, that's the amount of BNB, the address, and the Binance Smart Chain, max fees. We'll hit accept and send. All right. Then we'll hit close. All right, and that worked. Confirmed in MetaMask, confirmed in PancakeSwap. And then down below here, we can see our liquidity pool tokens in PancakeSwap. Now I'm going to go over to farms, to CAKE-BNB. That's our liquidity pair. We're going to go ahead and farm that. So I'll hit details here. First, I'll enable farming on this liquidity pool token, which I just funded earlier. We'll hit enable. All right, we'll confirm this in MetaMask. Then we'll also confirm it on our device. We'll scroll using the metal button all the way to accept and send and hit both buttons. This is enabling the BNB cake pair. All right, that was confirmed in MetaMask. And now I can hit stake LP and choose max and then confirm. And we'll confirm in MetaMask, and we need to authorize on our device. Accept and send. And that was confirmed. And now I am staking CAKE-BNB liquidity pool tokens in the farm and earning interest on that. Now notice here that my cake balance is now 0 and my cake LP balance is also 0. That is because I am farming, right? Now that I have them staked, they're in a smart contract, they're no longer in my wallet. If I were to unstake, then I would see the cake LP balance, right? So if I wanted to back out of all of this and hit unstake, unstake is the negative token here. So we'll unstake, max out, we'll hit confirm that. We have to sign in MetaMask and confirm on our device. Accept and send. All right, that was confirmed in MetaMask. And now I've unstaked the liquidity pool token. So now I still have the liquidity pool token. So if you look in MetaMask, you'll see here that now I have the liquidity pool tokens, right? I've got 0.8 cake LP. Now, if I want to remove the liquidity, I'll just go back over here to liquidity. And there's my liquidity pool tokens. I'll just pull this down and choose remove. To back this out, I'll remove all of that. I'll hit enable here. I'll sign that. I need to confirm on my device. All the way scrolling to sign message. All right, we'll hit sign message. All right, and now I can remove the liquidity pool tokens from the pool. We'll hit confirm there. We'll confirm in MetaMask. All right, something weird happened. Okay. Okay, let's hit open ledger live. I'll open the WebSocket again. All right. I think we're okay. Now it wants me to review. I'm not sure why I got disconnected there, but just go through the motions and reconnect. Then let's hit accept and send. And then we can hit close here. And it was confirmed. Now I've removed all my liquidity. So I have 0 liquidity here. Right? And then we can go back and check in MetaMask and see that I have my cake and BNB back. Right? So notice now that I've done these trades. I can go back over to Ledger Live. We'll hit disconnect here. And you can see my BNB balance. And you can see my cake balance. Notice that it's not giving me pricing information for cake. Ledger Live is a great wallet, but it doesn't always have pricing information for every single token out there. But it does store the token properly. You don't need to worry that it's not showing you the price. That's just a pricing issue, right? It's not showing the price. This is fairly common for sub tokens. So there's a lot going on under the hood here. Binance Smart Chain and the Ethereum blockchain are sort of overlap each other in several ways. Right? If you'll notice that when we went over to PancakeSwap and were actually trading in our Binance Smart Chain based wallet, we had to use the Ethereum app for confirming transactions. But when we're in Ledger Live and we simply want to view the wallet or add new wallets, then we'll need the Binance Smart Chain app to set up this account. And so our Binance Smart Chain balances and tokens will show up in our Binance Smart Chain account in Ledger Live. And then the Ethereum balances of those addresses will show up in the Ethereum wallets, right? So they're related to each other and they overlap each other a little bit, but at least now we can monitor our Binance Smart Chain wallets in Ledger Live. So this, just keep in mind when you're over in MetaMask and you're using your Binance Smart Chain based wallet, you'll want to use the hardware option in order to connect to your Binance Smart Chain balance and tokens when you're doing that. And that when you're trading and swapping and adding liquidity and farming and those sort of things, you'll need to use the Ethereum app in your Ledger device to confirm to authorize all of these transactions. But it is a safe and secure way to manage your Binance Smart Chain tokens on your Ledger device. All right, and then you can also monitor your wallets over in Ledger Live as well. So pretty cool. All right, so if you have any questions about anything I did, please throw them up in the comments, and I'll do my best to get them answered. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it. When you subscribe, there's a little bell that you can click that will allow you to be alerted whenever I post new content. Once again, thanks for joining me and hope to see you again soon.